sitting there watching these dogs swim. That chocolate lab will swim for an hour and not come out of there. Sticking his head underwater. He is entertaining. I love that dog. And you got this one, can't figure out what he's supposed to be doing. Watch him stick his head underwater. Yeah. I probably started that. I started throwing rocks out there instead of just sticks. And he's out there and swim for circles, swim and swim and swim, looking for a rock. And looking for a stick that he couldn't ever find. Now he just does it. I haven't done it. I haven't thrown anything out there today at all. He's just swimming. I'm thankful for the rain we got, but I'm still praying for more. The water should be up to the bottom of those trees and up to the edge of that bank right there. It's still really low. And we're still getting missed by a ton of rain. I was hoping we get more, but we'll see what happens. Yeah, that one don't know what he's doing. Usually the chocolate lab will bring a stick and give it to the, and drop it in the black lab, pick it up, and she'll take it from there. It's entertainment, but they love the water. I think he said, "Get away from me." That German short-haired tries to ride on his back. There he goes again, looking for what I don't know. I've never seen a dog that would stick his head underwater like that. There he goes. Yeah. Have a good day.